Infoshare is the largest conference devoted to new technologies in this part of Europe, in Central and Eastern Europe. Every year for the past few years, it has attracted over 5,000 participants. Last year, we faced a very big challenge of organizing the conference in a completely different way than before. After the pandemic hit, we realized quite quickly that we would not be able to hold the conference in a traditional format. We therefore decided to take it online, and as we already had some commitments, we simply had to hold the conference in 2020.
Tutaj bardzo mocno
The LiveWebinar tool helped us a lot, and it enabled us to broadcast over 6 days from 2 major studios. Over 200 hours of material. A very, very large project indeed, which turned out to be successful. We had about 5,000 online participants. It all worked out. It was a success. This year, we thought about how to run it from the very
jak
beginning.
to przeprowadzić.
Po podjęciu decyzji o realizacji konferencji
Having decided to hold the conference online, we tested a number of tools available on the market providing video streams from stages or online meetings. We liked LiveWebinar because it had a very rich offer, a lot of functionalities that we could use. We used LiveWebinar for several purposes, for broadcasting from stages where we needed a large capacity, a large number of participants, for meetings between partners and participants, for a chat between event partners and participants, or for meetings between participants in the one-on-one matchmaking formula. And LiveWebinar made all these meetings possible. It enabled the configuration of appropriate rooms for all these meetings. An important element and a reason why we chose LiveWebinar was the API. Very simple and easy to use, and above all, easy to integrate with our system. It was important for us that conference participants only had to log into our conference system once, and could then watch the broadcast from stages, use the webinar rooms, partner rooms, chat rooms, or matchmaking rooms without any additional logins or obstacles. And LiveWebinar's API allowed us to do just that. Thanks to the LiveWebinar platform and our Archibot tool, we started working with Infoshare over 3 years ago, when Infoshare was a strictly offline event. Back then, we were already running our first tests and wanted to show how platforms such as Archibot or LiveWebinar could be used to build a hybrid platform, thanks to which we can expand the audience of our event and reach every corner of the world. Thanks to a platform such as LiveWebinar, we are able to gather all stages in one place, so that people who come to the event do not have to spend a lot of money on business trips, hotels, etc., as this is often perceived by people, even participants, as a problem, as a barrier. It is with a platform like LiveWebinar that we can break down these barriers and gather an even larger audience. Thanks to the Archibot platform, we can build communication tools, communication hubs, or event platforms such as the one we're using, for example, during Infoshare. We can move the entire ecosystem of tools and office relationships from offline to online. And in the pandemic and post-pandemic era, we are looking to ensure the continuity of our business, ensure that the communication pipeline is maintained, and that people in the company can easily reach out to customers, serve the existing clients, and acquire new ones. It is precisely by using the Archibot or LiveWebinar platform that we can create a tool tailor-made for us.